I'm Christian Craig, and I'm excited to join the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team.
Well, there you have it. Christian Craig, after all the years on the 250, after all the injuries, at the fill-in rides on the 450, he finally has his big boy factory 450 contract, which, if I'm not mistaken, if I read this right, it's a 2-year contract with Rockstar Husqvarna. So I'm super excited for him because I really like Christian Craig. I'm glad to see him actually get a full-time ride on a 450, not the fill-in rides or the outdoors only or the back and forth that he's always got to do. And personally, I think he looks a lot better on a 450 as a rider. So I'm excited to see how this works out. Being set with a team for a couple years, he gets to have his routine, have his team, have everything the same on a full factory ride. I think it's going to be great. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Good, bad, too old now to be really competitive, whatever it is. Make sure you comment it, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me. Obviously, playing the YouTube algorithm game, it's always good. I'll see you later. Peace.